What is a server? A server is just a powerful computer whose job is to provide information or services to other computers. When you open a website, watch Netflix, send an email, or use Instagram, you're actually asking a server somewhere in the world to send you data. Your phone or laptop makes the request, and the server answers, just like a restaurant server, brings you what you ordered. Simple example of a server. If you type google.com in your browser, your device sends a request to Google servers. The Google servers search their huge storage, pick the right web page, and send it back to you in a fraction of a second. Your device or the computer or the phone that you use to search the internet is called a client, and the computer that responds to you is the server. What does a server look like? A server doesn't look like a regular home laptop or desktop. Most servers look like long, flat metal boxes called server units or rack servers. They slide into tall metal cabinets called server racks. Each unit might be only a few inches tall but extremely powerful inside. Some servers are the size of mini fridges, called tower servers, but big companies usually use the rack style to stack hundreds of them neatly. What is a server made of? A server is made up of core hardware components including the motherboard, CPU, RAM, storage drives, power supply, and network connections, similar to a computer. These components are housed in a chassis and work together to process information, store data, and connect to a network. Servers have more processors, more memory, and special cooling fans because they run 24/7 without breaks. They often have multiple power supplies so that if one fails, the server still stays alive. Their hard drives are usually SSDs or enterprise grade storage designed to handle millions of users. Where are servers stored? Servers live in special buildings called data centers. These buildings are kept extremely cold because servers generate a lot of heat. Data centers have rows and rows of server racks, backup generators, high security doors, cameras, fire suppression systems, and high speed internet connections. Companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, and Netflix store thousands of servers in these centers around the world. What are servers used for? Servers have one job: to serve. They store, process, and deliver data so that your apps and websites work smoothly. Some servers store files, some handle video streaming, some process payments, and some run artificial intelligence models, just like I am running on servers right now. Whenever you click, stream, download, or upload anything, a server somewhere is doing the work. Everyday examples of servers. When you watch Netflix, a video server sends you the movie. Examples of servers. When you watch Netflix, a video server sends you the movie. When you upload photos to Google Photos, a storage server saves them. When you join a Zoom call, communications servers keep your video and audio flowing. When you shop on Amazon, web servers, database servers, and payment servers all work together behind the scenes. Subscribe for free to learn more about information technology.